one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. Your heart has been longing for peace, not just rest, but a deep peace that comes from the Lord. For the Lord says, I am with you, and I am giving you my presence, my peace, my shalom, my peace that is more than just stillness, my peace that restores and heals. Where you have been anxious, where you have been worn down, look to me, for I am the one who is bringing my presence to you, my encouragement, my refreshment. I am the Lord who is present with you, the one who restores and heals. Enter my presence and be at peace. Enter my presence and let go of every weight that you've carried, knowing that I am the Lord who is with you, knowing that I am the one who brings my wholeness, the one who brings my restoration. I fill you with my love anew this day. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.